In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another OneDrive account in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you manage a personal account and a work account, or if you simply want to keep different files, folders, and projects separated while still being able to switch between them easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go directly to the OneDrive website and sign in with the account you already use. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or account icon. This is where Microsoft keeps your account options, switching tools, and sign-in controls. After that, look for an option that says Add another account or Sign in with a different account. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your browser, your Microsoft setup, or whether you're using a personal or work account, but the goal is the same. You want to add a second Microsoft account so you can access another OneDrive alongside the one you already have open. Once you click that option, OneDrive will ask you to enter the email address for your second Microsoft account. Type in the email carefully, especially if you use multiple Microsoft logins, because entering the wrong one can make the sign-in process confusing. After entering the email, click Next and continue through the verification process. At this point, Microsoft may ask for your password, or it may send a verification code to your email or phone, depending on your account security settings. If that happens, just complete the prompt exactly as instructed. This step is important because Microsoft wants to confirm that you're allowed to access that second account. Once verification is complete, the second OneDrive account will be added in your browser. Now that both accounts are connected, you can switch between them by clicking the profile icon again. This is the easiest way to move from one OneDrive account to the other without having to sign out every time. It's a great time-saving feature if you regularly upload files, manage documents, or move content between accounts. If you don't see the option right away, don't worry. Sometimes Microsoft changes the layout slightly, so you may need to look for a menu, a profile dropdown, or a sign-in option related to adding another account. The process is still the same. Open OneDrive, go to the Account menu, add the second account, and verify it. And that's it. You now know how to add another OneDrive account quickly and easily. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.